Have you noticed these incredibly realistic wildlife videos getting millions of views across YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels? At first glance, they look like genuine smartphone recordings captured by lucky people in nature. But today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create videos like these using only ChatGPT and Google Flow. Let's get started. I've already prepared a master prompt that automatically creates ultra-realistic wildlife video prompts. Simply paste the entire master prompt into ChatGPT. Now send it. After reading the prompt, ChatGPT won't generate the full prompt immediately. Instead, it first asks for a wildlife theme. For example, wild squirrel eating from a person's hand. You can type any realistic wildlife scenario you want, then press enter. Next, ChatGPT generates 5 different video concepts based on your theme. Each one has a different environment, lighting, animal behavior, and interaction. Choose the one you like most. In this example, I'll choose Variation 3. Now ChatGPT generates a complete professional video prompt. This prompt includes everything. Roll to anti-AI negative prompt. You don't need to write anything yourself. Everything is already optimized. Now open Google Flow. Choose Omni Flash as the video model. Set the video duration to 10 seconds. Use the 9:16 vertical format if you're making shorts or TikTok videos. Copy the complete prompt generated by ChatGPT. Paste it directly into Google Flow. Then click Generate. Now wait while Google Flow creates your video. Within a short time, you'll have a highly realistic wildlife video. If you want another version, simply return to ChatGPT and choose a different variation, or enter a completely new theme. You can generate unlimited ideas this way. That's how easy it is to create realistic wildlife videos using ChatGPT and Google Flow. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.